Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm gonna make slime for the first time, but first I'm gonna show you what the kids making slime will be like. I'm gonna film them making their slime, and then we're gonna get into mine. I've never made it before, so this is gonna be interesting. Oh my god. Alright, here we go. Alright guys, this is what we got. We got a lot of food dye here. Different types. We got the food dye, all different colors.
I want to show them mine.
Okay, we got blue right there.
We got a huge jug of glue.
Getting there. Goodness gracious. We got a 1 gallon clear glue. And we have Elmer's glue in the dark glue, and we got our activator there. We got the mixers here. And the first thing we're gonna do is so this is the, what do you call yourself? Huh? Say it. You've been saying it off camera like 100 times.
Oh my god!
I caught that on camera too. This is turning out perfectly. I like this. That's fine. Just leave it there. Just leave it there. That's why we're using this. We put this on a table because I knew that was gonna happen. Oh yeah. I forgot to show the baking soda too. We had the baking soda. We got the food dye, and we got the glue. So hopefully that's gonna be good. They each got their own mixers. Got a little evil. Okay, just pouring the glue in there now. Yeah, well.
Can I mix it? Yeah, sure.
You can't. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, see? There is a lot in there.
It'll be fine. I think that's good.
Activator.
Is that good?
We already poured some of the baking soda in here already, so.
Is that good? I don't care. It's your slime.
It's your slime, dude.
Okay.
And you can put as much glue in there as you want, as much activator in there as you want, but obviously you can't put a whole lot. It's gonna overflow. So we're putting the food dye in here now.
Okay, mix it.
Mix it. Whoa. You're getting the glare from the light. Oh, that looks cool.
What's your
Keep
slime
on
gonna
stirring
be
it.
called?
Keep on stirring it.
Minnie Mouse. No.
That's his color. He chose green.
It looks like. What is it? Whoa.
And then we got hers. Okay, she's got different glue. She's. Yeah, okay.
It's gonna take a little while, so I'll help try to do it now. I'll help Taco. Stay. Do you want it darker? Or do you want it like that? I want it darker.
Nice, that looks cool.
Or do you want to add another color?
I can see you in the reflection. I can literally see you in the reflection.
What other color do you want?
We still have all these colors too, so they can add more. Sure. You want black?
Are you sure? No. Oh my gosh, it looks so good now. I want to eat it, but I can't.
Whoa, that looks cool.
See? I want to mix it. You will. The cousin gets purple flavor.
She's gonna help you. Wow, that's really dark. Keep on going. What color did you get?
I got like 2.
Oh, yeah, because that's a little dark. That's good. That's good.
What is hers turning out to be?
I don't know. It is literally transforming right in front of our eyes. So this is our workspace.
Look at it. Look at my slime. I'm gonna go burn. It's almost
Goodness.
No, his name is Mr. Nightmare.
Okay, so they mixed everything in. The dye is in there. They got their colors in there. See? They're done. This one is pretty much done too. Now they're gonna add the activator in. Alright, go for it. First one.
Second.
Okay, so here comes the first activator.
Start mixing.
Start mixing it. Mix it good.
I can't do it. I know, but
Let her get a start, okay? And then you can finish it, okay? There we go. First one has it. Keep on mixing it. Activator. Okay. All right. Pour about 3 in there. There's 2. One more. There we go. Nice. And you start mixing yours.
No slime yet.
Nice.
Chrissy, look.
Here, get it. Go like this. Look
at mine.
Go like this.
Chrissy, look at mine.
Get that top in there.
Chrissy.
Yeah, hold on.
Okay.
Do that. Okay. Goodness gracious, child. My God. Oh my God. Chrissy. Okay. All right, now we're gonna get. Oh God. We're gonna get the third and final. Holy crap!
Bella! You don't know what I'm doing.
Mix it in. My God.
Okay, I know how to fix it. Okay.
I need to come together.
Okay.
Bunch of this.
Put some in there, a good amount, not a lot like your sister. Good. Okay.
They're gonna need a lot. That didn't work.
The activator didn't work. Did you put enough in there?
I put 3.
3 what?
3 spoons.
You might have to put more than that.
And it got cold.
Did it?
Exactly.
Okay.
It's not gonna work.
Alright, so we're trying it for the first time. We don't know if it's gonna work, but we can always try again another time.
Mine's actually working. One. Let's mix mine. Stop.
Hold on, I'm gonna add some more. Okay.
How did you need it? I can see it.
Let her mix it. Let her mix it. Okay. Make sure mixing it. Good job.
Hold on. Why is this yours not working?
It might be too much. I don't know.
No, that's a thing.
Alright guys, well might be having some problems here with.
Tell me with hers.
Is yours
Mine's
good?
working out.
Mine's working.
Mine's
Mixing that.
Mine's just turning into liquid.
Maybe you guys need some more glue in yours.
But look at mine.
Yeah, because yours is pure glue.
That is sugar.
I think here, pour a little more glue. Here, I'll pour a little more glue in yours. Okay. Yep, you're next.
See, now I'm able. Oh my God.
Okay, mix that in good.
Mix it.
It'll stop. There we go. Alright, where's that? Clean this off.
Guys, I think mine's working.
Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah, see, it's because you had tons of glue in it. And you added more glue.
But that's the thing, I didn't add as much food dye they did, I think.
Oh yeah, they added a lot. You just needed like a good 5 or 6 drops. Even just 2 or 3 would be good. Are you done mixing it?
No, mine don't work.
What?
Mine's not gonna work.
Why?
I keep mixing it. It's just liquid.
Because you put too much of that, because that wasn't working. Add more. I need some more out. Hold on.
Yeah, I think we need more baking soda. Because this is not...
Okay.
If the glue isn't making it more clumpy...
Yeah,
There we
it's
go.
just pure liquid right now.
No. David, that's enough.
Yeah, a bit.
It's not helping. You know, something we did wrong. Let us know in the comments below if we messed up somewhere, or if we should do a step first, or what the hell's going on. See, hers is fine. Look, she's actually playing with it.
No, I'm not.
I could. Looks like you're playing with it.
This doesn't look like I'm playing with it.
Kind of does. It's making that smacking noise. So.
If we had some of that in here.
You got me? Okay, hey guys, we're back. We tried these two here. So Taco Hairball and Happy Nightmares. It was a fail. So, but the one that the Slime Queen made, hers is working. But the thing she didn't do was add this. Are you putting me in the frame?
Yeah.
Okay. She didn't add this, and it seemed to work. So we're not gonna put the activator in there. We're gonna do it without the activator. Okay. So those are trash. Those are fails. We're gonna try just the glue and the baking soda only.
Okay, add how much glue you want into the bowl.
All right. So this is my first time making it. Here we go. Let's see if I can do this. We'll try with a little bit first, and if I can get it to work, then I'll put a little bit more. So we're gonna put a little glue.
After you made it, we're gonna put that. So add a little bit of that.
Yeah, we're not gonna put this in first. We're gonna wait to put in the food dye last. Okay. So here we go.
Add just a little bit. You're gonna get a little bit more. That's good.
This is clear, so this is gonna be somewhat cool, just because you can see through it. So here we go, mixing it in. What are you doing? Why? Okay, it's getting a little thick. I can feel it. Nice.
And if it overactivates, we can put like lotion and water.
It's getting thick. See that?
Yeah, it's turning into slime now.
So maybe the activator was just too much. Oh, it's getting really thick. I don't know if I want to. I might have to knead it. Basically, put it in my hands and. Oh yeah, not right now. No. I'm actually gonna change my mind a little bit and put some orange into this. So we're gonna get the orange, put it in here. Put just a little bit.
Satisfying.
Just a little bit. You don't need a lot of this because this stuff is very strong. Watch, you'll see. See? That was just a little bit.
That looks like ice
That's
cream.
Blue Cow's favorite color.
It's yellow in this.
You see how much I put? And it's like taking over everything already.
It's yellow.
It's yellow? This is neon orange. That's weird. It does look yellow. What the hell? You're just so sticky. Oh my goodness. It's not even letting go. Oh my god. Look at this.
Look what.
So, alright guys, in the chat, I want you to tell me why it's so sticky and how do we prevent that? Because it's just, oh my goodness. Look at this. I'm not even gonna be able. Are you filming?
Yeah. No.
Okay. Kinda. Right there.
Why does yours look like orange sugar?
Oh my god. This is literally eating me. It's like the blob. But you can hear that it's making that smacking noise slime makes, so we're on the right track. Now it's not sticky. Is it my hands? Look.
Your hands have to be like warm, right?
Your hands are warm, so it's making it.
Wow, look at this. I'm actually popping in a ball now. Look at that.
Mash it on the table.
Look at that.
No!
It's fine, see? You see how panicky she is?
Easier.
It's still stuck to you.
Hey! This thin string somewhere. Oh.
Look at that. So it's the heat that made that. It like activated it. See? Look at that. It's not sticky no more.
Actually, the heat melted it.
Yeah, but why did it make it non-sticky? Okay. Now she wants it back.
It's not
You
warm.
melted
You need
it.
more glue. You barely have any glue in there.
This is fine. Alright, so let me know in the comments below what do you think my first slime is. If it's good, if it's not, what does it need, etc. Alright, just let me know.
White slime.
It's not sticky no more. It's really thick now, as you can tell. Now we're gonna knead it.
Like
This is gonna be fun.
Like this.
Oh my gosh, this is bad. Look at this.
Oh.
Eat it.
This is why I don't do slime.
You touched
Oh my
slime.
god.
Chris,
It's playing with slime when
Oh
you're done.
my goodness.
The
This-
making of the slime? No.
Look at
The
this.
failure. A winner.
This one might be a failure
A
too.
failure.
This one might be a failure too.
3 failures so far.
Oh
that
my-
was a failure so far.
Look,
That was a success.
it does look like ice. I made ice cream.
What's in yours?
You need more
Glue in.
glue. You have oobleck.
Check it out.
It's oobleck.
Look, it's actually getting there now.
Chris, wait. It's not.
Punch it.
Put it into a bowl. Okay, then hold it in your hand.
Hold on.
Let's see if it
Hold on.
melts down.
Look. I think I did it.
You made oobleck, Chris.
What?
Is it hard when you punch it?
What's the difference?
Oobleck.
He did make oobleck. Oobleck
made
cornstarch.
Yeah, but look.
All right. Well, that's what I made. And why is it so? No, don't touch it. You're holding the camera.
Papa, guess what?
Oh God, what happened to it?
Did you do the same
It's
thing
becoming.
you did?
No, I put a lot more than she did. I put a lot more.
Yours should have been more thicker.
It's not. Look, fill it.
His is very greasy.
Here, fill it. Yeah, it's like grease or something.
Ew, ew.
That see? I don't know what happened. All right, so
You pour some
this
grease
is
in there?
this is a fail.
Not the making
I
process
failed it.
of slime.
Yeah, we're failing. All right, I'm just gonna call this a fail. Okay. Next time we'll do better. All right. Well, this is my end result, and I failed. So maybe next time it'll be different.
Reveal my face.
Just let me know down in the comments below what I did wrong.